Do you recommend a CISM or a CISSP? If I had to choose between the two, Michael, I would choose a CISSP, and let me show you why. I'm going to go to Indeed.com, because I'm going to type in a CISSP. And what I want you to notice is the amount of jobs. Now, that doesn't take into account your background, experience, what they want you to do, any of that. It's just 23,000 jobs. Now, let's look at CISM. When the industry is looking for people with certifications, like what are they looking for? Like who is looking for these certifications? Who is putting this on their job description? That's CISM. So I would choose CISSP. Whether you're a manager or whatever, I would get CISM later. I would make that secondary. Probably the only exception would be if you're in the financial sector, because they look highly up on the CISM and CISA. But overall, in general, everybody knows what the CISSP is. The DoD is looking for it. It's on their 8140, which is like a workforce, cybersecurity workforce document. CISM is also on that. It's a list of certifications where they say everybody should have one of these certifications, right? It's like a list that the whole federal government uses. And I'll just show you what I mean. I'll just give you more examples of why I would choose the CISSP. So look at this form right here. This right here is a federal document. All the federal agencies use this, and some state departments use it. I've even seen some contracting organizations use this document, even though it's exclusively used in the Department of Defense and DISA and federal government. This right here, IAT, this means Information Assurance Technical Level 1. That's like a help desk person. Level 2 is like help desk with a specialization, or like they also do networking or something like that, or maybe they do 2 or 3 different networks. Level 3 is like your high speed, high level, tier 3 type person who's gonna solve all problems, or an enclave, or specialized weapon systems or program management systems, stuff like that. But you notice that this one has CISSP. These are all professional level certs. Let me just kind of break this down. So A+ certifications are entry level certifications. CCNA security, this is an entry level certification. It's not easy, by the way. This is not an easy certification, even though it's an associate. Network Plus, easy certification. I've had all of these except for SSCP. I've had these 3 right here, actually. CCNA without the security, because I took it before they added that. And then you got tier level 2, which are pretty much the same ones, but they've added a couple certifications. They added a GSEC, which is a SANS course. And then these are professional level certifications. All of these. CASP, I heard, was super hard. CCNP, ridiculously hard. CISA, this is a professional level certification. CISSP, professional level. Now, where's CISM? Where you see it anywhere on here? You see CISSP, CISSP, CISSP. This is why I would recommend CISSP. The CISM is on here. You just got to find it. It's a management level certification, right? This is like for managers and stuff. It depends on what you're trying to, like, if you're trying to go into a specific part of cybersecurity or IT, then there's other professional level certs that kill the CISSP. But in general, it's the golden standard because everybody knows it. It's more marketable. Like all of your HR people who are writing up some of the job descriptions, by the way, they know what that is. They don't necessarily know what a CISM is, right?